Then you need to know there are ways to feel better right away. And one great way is by the use of essential oils. Now I get this question a lot, how to even use them? Well, you can inhale, diffuse, apply, or even ingest them, especially if you're using therapeutic grade ones such as those from Young Living. Now, how to use the oil is also dependent on your desired purpose. For example, it is known that lavender is excellent for soothing the skin, for relaxation, and it also has a pleasing aroma that makes it an excellent ingredient for your hair. So if you're using it to soothe the skin, you're likely to apply the oil topically. Or if you're hoping to feel relaxed, you may choose to diffuse it. The benefits that you derive are based on their chemical components. Most of us are just happy to be able to experience these benefits. However, you may also like to know that essential oils are more than just a complex mixture of compounds. If you are to only consider the benefits from a chemistry perspective, you would have missed out on an important activator altogether. In this session, I'd like to share how you can derive maximum benefit from activating and using your essential oils. Now, essential oils are best described as living energy. When it comes to essential oils, we need to know, therefore, that there are two ways on how they can affect us. Firstly, via the chemistry, and secondly, via quantum physics. Now, according to Dr. David Stewart, a leading expert and researcher into essential oils, no scientist has yet to identify all the compounds that go into each essential oil. Now, essential oils can be represented using a chemical formula, but a formula is not a complete description of their vibrational attributes. Now, it can never be the same. What is synthesized in a lab using a formula versus what is created by the forces of nature or by God. Now, essential oils are in fact examples of substances that can manifest with properties of matter or with properties of energy. Just think about essential oils as liquid in a physical form. And when you diffuse it into the air, they are no longer liquid. As you inhale the aroma, they shift your frequency, allowing you to relax. This demonstrates the dual nature of material reality, both as matter and as energy, and hence they are being referred to as living energy. Through its chemistry components, every essential oil offers potential benefits. For example, now frankincense is also known to support cellular health, promote relaxation, boost immunity, enhance spiritual connection, and so on. A range of various possible benefits. It creates a positive effect physically, emotionally, mentally, and even spiritually. Then there is also the quantum side of things. What has been recognized is the observer effect. It's been found that the observer or researcher is always part of the experiment. What it means is that the observer can have an impact on the results that he gets through the act of observing or measuring. This is known as the observer effect. An observer can therefore alter the chemistry of matter. That's why you can find that there's always this mind-body connection. In other words, your thoughts and beliefs by the act of observing through paying attention can impact your physical symptoms. Energy flows where attention goes, in other words. Now, if you're to apply quantum physics to the use of essential oils, it is the intention that directs the manifestation of the specific benefit or result that you want. While the chemistry of an oil offers potential benefits, offers possibilities, you apply the intention for the result that you desire. Hence, in the case of frankincense, while it offers the potential benefit of spiritual connection or for supporting cellular health, you decide what is the intention that you're using the oil for. Or lavender, while it is great for, say, supporting the hair, skin, or for relaxation, as you inhale the oil, you decide which is the specific benefit that you hope to manifest. Now, the oil is simply a vehicle to carry out the intention. It has the ability to restore wellness, but you activate its ability with your affirmations and prayers. You and your thoughts are very powerful. Every iota of intention that goes into getting the oil into your hands, from the intention of the farmer to that of the distiller to the person who blends a mixture, adds to the energy of the oil. That's why we want to use oils that come from a company aligned with the highest and the best of intentions, a company such as Young Living. Now, because essential oils are living energy, they have frequency. Now, frequency is a measure of how quickly cells are regenerating and circulating within the body. Now, the greater the movement within the cells, the more free your body is able to self-heal. And the slower the cells move within the body, the greater the chance for diseases to develop. Now, studies conducted by the Eastern Washington University showed the measurable influence that each essential oil had on the body. And using a calibrated frequency monitor, every essential oil specifically focusing on Young Living oils were tested to determine what their specific frequency levels were. It was also found that essential oils have the highest frequencies of any measured natural substance. So when you're using essential oils, you're potentially raising your energy frequency. By applying intention or affirming the result that you want, you enhance its positive effect. Now, more examples. If you're using, say, purification, you may say, I set the intention to purify my mind. Or it could be, I set the intention for clearing the physical space around me. Whatever you intend the benefit that the oil offers to be. Or if you're using peppermint, now peppermint has several benefits. And if you're using peppermint to calm your tummy, you may affirm, may I be in comfort and ease. Or if you're using the abundance essential oil, you may say, I manifest abundance easily and effortlessly. As you inhale, you also visualize each molecule charged with the affirmation of abundance being infused in every cell of the body. Now, I'd like to summarize. Essential oils are energy tools that help you to restore holistic well-being. There's a science behind using them. To derive maximum benefits, consider that essential oils are more than their chemical compounds. If you want to use essential oils more effectively, do so with intention. Direct the energy of the oils through your mind. Apply the power of intention as you inhale the oils and affirm the positive specific result that you hope to manifest. Now, I hope you found the information useful. Take care for now. This is Evelyn here. Love and abundance always.